Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to stop WhatsApp from automatically starting every time you turn on your PC. This feature recently changed in the new update, so if you've noticed WhatsApp launching on its own when you log in, don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn it off. When you install or update WhatsApp on your computer, the app might be set to start automatically when your system boots up. While this can be convenient for some, it can also be annoying or slow down your startup time. Let's fix that in just a few easy steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, look to the left-hand side of the window and find the gear icon that's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see several options in the menu. Click on General. Inside this tab, you'll find a setting called Start WhatsApp at Login. This is the feature that controls whether WhatsApp opens when your computer starts. Simply toggle that switch off. When the switch is off, WhatsApp will no longer launch automatically the next time you log in. It's that simple. You can now open WhatsApp manually only when you actually need it, keeping your startup clean and your system running faster. Just to double check, try restarting your PC after you've turned off that setting. If WhatsApp doesn't pop up automatically, you've successfully disabled the auto start feature. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how smoothly your computer runs, especially if you like to keep things minimal at startup. It's always a good idea to review which apps are allowed to launch on boot. A quick cleanup can really speed up your experience. And that's it. You've just learned how to prevent WhatsApp from starting automatically when you log in using the updated method from the latest version. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching.